Welcome to our guide on student-centered teaching strategies. Today, we'll explore how shifting from traditional methods to student-centered approaches can transform your classroom. Traditional teaching often follows a one-size-fits-all model, where the instructor imparts knowledge and students passively receive it. This method can leave many students disengaged and struggling to connect with the material. Now imagine a classroom where students actively participate, collaborate, and take ownership of their learning. This is the essence of student-centered teaching. By implementing student-centered strategies, educators can create more engaging and effective learning environments. These approaches emphasize the role of students as active participants, whose unique needs and interests shape their educational experiences. Throughout this video, we'll delve into specific methods like active learning, collaborative learning, and personalized learning. We'll provide you with practical steps, examples, and tips to integrate these strategies into your teaching practice. The journey to transforming your classroom starts here. By embracing student-centered teaching, you'll enhance your students' learning experiences and foster a more dynamic and inclusive educational environment. Get ready to empower your students and revitalize your teaching methods. As we move forward, you'll discover the contrasts between traditional teaching methods and innovative student-centered approaches that can revolutionize your classroom. In the realm of education, traditional teaching methods often lead to disengaged students and limited participation. These conventional practices can stifle curiosity and hinder effective learning. When students feel uninvolved, their interest wanes, making the classroom a place of lost potential. The one-size-fits-all approach assumes all students learn the same way, but the reality is far different. Each student has unique needs, strengths, and paces. Unfortunately, these aren't addressed by rigid traditional methods. This often results in students feeling alienated, unable to connect with the material or the method. Identifying these challenges is the first step towards improvement. By recognizing the limitations of traditional teaching, we pave the way for more inclusive, engaging, and effective approaches. Moving forward, we'll explore innovative, student-centered strategies designed to overcome these obstacles and transform the learning experience. Get ready to delve into student-centered teaching methods that foster engagement and cater to individual learning needs. Active learning transforms the classroom from a teacher-centered environment into a dynamic, student-centered hub. But what exactly is active learning? Active learning involves engaging students in activities that go beyond passive listening. It requires them to participate in tasks that promote analysis, synthesis, and evaluation of the class content. This could include discussions, problem-solving activities, and group work. The benefits of active learning are vast. By involving students more deeply, active learning encourages a greater understanding and retention of the material. It moves students from simply absorbing information to comprehending and applying it. This strategy also enhances critical thinking skills and fosters a more interactive learning environment. In essence, active learning places students at the heart of the educational experience, empowering them to take an active role in their learning journey. As we delve deeper, we'll uncover practical ways to implement these techniques in your classroom to maximize student engagement and success. To successfully implement active learning in your classroom, start with activities like group discussions. These discussions encourage students to articulate their understanding and engage with their peers' perspectives. Another effective method is problem-solving tasks, challenging students to apply knowledge to practical scenarios. Hands-on projects also make abstract concepts tangible and memorable. When planning these activities, set clear objectives and ensure they align with your curriculum goals. Facilitate a supportive environment where students feel comfortable sharing their ideas and making mistakes. Regularly assess and adapt your strategies based on student feedback and performance. This flexible approach will help refine your techniques to meet your students' needs better. Implementing these steps will enhance student engagement and foster a deeper understanding of the material. Next, you'll learn about other effective student-centered strategies to further enrich your teaching practice. Welcome to our exploration of collaborative learning, a pivotal strategy in student-centered teaching. Collaborative learning brings students together to solve problems, accomplish tasks, or create projects as a team. It emphasizes communication, cooperation, and collective problem solving. At its core, collaborative learning involves students pooling their knowledge and skills to reach a common goal. This approach enhances individual understanding and builds critical social skills. Students learn to listen, negotiate, and respect diverse viewpoints, fostering mutual support and shared success. The benefits of collaborative learning are profound. Studies show it leads to higher academic achievements, improved interpersonal relationships among students, and greater long-term retention of material. Moreover, it prepares students for the collaborative nature of the modern workforce. By integrating collaborative learning, you can create a more dynamic, interactive classroom experience. It shifts the focus from teacher-led instruction to a more engaging, student-driven approach. Next, you'll see practical steps and activities to effectively implement collaborative learning in your classroom. To implement collaborative learning effectively, consider various activities that promote teamwork and shared responsibility. Group projects are excellent for allowing students to divide tasks and learn from each other's strengths. Peer reviews foster accountability and improve critical thinking, as students provide constructive feedback on each other's work. Collaborative research, where students work together to explore topics, gather data, and present findings, is another powerful method. These activities enhance student engagement and develop vital communication and problem-solving skills. Provide clear guidelines and structured roles to ensure meaningful contributions from each student. As students become comfortable with collaboration, you'll witness improved learning outcomes and a more dynamic classroom environment. Next, you'll see how personalized learning can further transform your teaching practices, tailoring education to individual student needs. In this segment, we delve into personalized learning, a transformative approach to education. Personalized learning tailors each student's educational experience to their unique needs, skills, and interests. It shifts the focus from a one-size-fits-all model to an individualized approach, empowering students to take control of their learning journey. The benefits of personalized learning are profound. It promotes self-paced, self-directed learning, allowing students to progress when they are ready. This strategy fosters greater engagement and helps students develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. By catering to individual strengths and weaknesses, personalized learning helps every student achieve their full potential. Embracing personalized learning means creating a classroom environment where each student feels valued and supported. It's about guiding each learner on a path that best suits their growth. Up next, we'll explore practical steps to implement personalized learning effectively in your classroom. Let's dive into implementing personalized learning in your classroom. Personalized learning caters to the unique needs, skills, and interests of each student. Start with individualized learning plans tailored to each student's progress and goals. Adaptive learning technologies can adjust content based on real-time assessments, ensuring students progress at their own pace. Another effective strategy is incorporating student choice in assignments, allowing learners to select topics or projects that interest them the most. These methods address diverse learning needs, making the learning experience more relevant and engaging for every student. Next, we'll discuss examples of personalized learning activities and practical tips for successful implementation. Personalized learning can transform your classroom, fostering an environment where every student has the opportunity to thrive. Stay tuned for more insights on integrating these approaches seamlessly and effectively into your teaching practice. When we harness the power of active, collaborative, and personalized learning strategies, we unlock a dynamic and inclusive classroom environment. Active learning engages students through activities that promote critical thinking and hands-on experiences. Collaboration encourages teamwork and communication, allowing students to learn from each other. Personalized learning tailors education to each student's unique needs, fostering self-paced growth. By integrating these approaches, we address diverse learning styles and needs more effectively. This holistic approach enhances student engagement and promotes deeper understanding and retention of material. Combining these strategies transforms the classroom into a vibrant learning hub where every student can thrive. Next, we'll explore the tools and resources to help you implement these combined strategies in your classroom, ensuring maximum impact and success. Implementing student centered strategies can come with its set of challenges, but fear not. Whether it's resistance to change, managing diverse learning needs, or ensuring resource availability, there are ways to navigate these obstacles effectively. For resistance to change, start with small, manageable steps and engage stakeholders early to build buy in. Open communication and showcasing successes can shift perspectives. When it comes to diverse learning needs, differentiated instruction and flexible learning environments are key. Utilize varied teaching methods to cater to different learning styles and levels. Ensuring resource availability might seem daunting, but creative solutions and leveraging existing resources can go a long way. Seek out grants, partnerships, and community support. Overcoming these challenges is essential for successfully implementing student-centered teaching strategies. Next, get ready to dive into a real-life case study of a school that navigated these challenges effectively. This example will provide valuable insights and inspiration on your journey towards creating a more engaging and inclusive classroom environment. Let's take a closer look at a school that successfully implemented student-centered teaching strategies. This case study demonstrates how shifting from traditional methods to student-oriented approaches can lead to remarkable results. The school embraced active, collaborative, and personalized learning, transforming their educational environment into a thriving hub. One key takeaway was the importance of fostering a collaborative classroom culture. By encouraging students to work together on projects and problem-solving tasks, the school saw significant increases in student participation and enthusiasm. Personalized learning plans catered to the unique needs of each student, allowing them to progress at their own pace and explore topics of personal interest. Strong leadership and continuous professional development for teachers were crucial in maintaining these innovative strategies. The school provided resources and support, enabling educators to transition effectively to student-centered approaches. Next, you'll learn how to apply these insights to create a similar impact in your own classroom. Learn from their success and make student-centered teaching a cornerstone of your educational practice. In today's segment, we'll dive into essential tools and resources to elevate your student-centered teaching methods. Whether you're seeking online platforms, educational apps, or professional development courses, there are incredible options to support your journey. First, let's explore some top recommended resources that can make a significant impact. You can access them through simple signups or school subscriptions, ensuring they're readily available for classroom integration. Next, let's talk about how to effectively utilize these resources. Many online platforms offer interactive features and data analytics to tailor learning experiences to each student's needs. Educational apps provide engaging, on-the-go learning opportunities, while professional development courses keep you updated with the latest teaching strategies. By integrating these resources, you foster a more dynamic and responsive learning environment for your students. Stay tuned for insights on measuring the effectiveness of student-centered strategies and maintaining continuous improvement. When evaluating the effectiveness of student-centered teaching strategies, it's essential to use a mix of qualitative and quantitative methods. Start with student feedback. Surveys and interviews can provide invaluable insights on engagement and satisfaction levels. Next, performance assessments offer concrete data on academic improvement. Look for a rise in test scores, project quality, and overall student achievements. Classroom observations are crucial. By observing interactions and engagement, teachers can identify which strategies promote active learning and collaboration. Key indicators of success include increased student participation, enthusiasm, and deeper understanding of the material. Stay attuned to subtle signs, more questions being asked, higher levels of critical thinking, and a willingness to take on challenging tasks. Remember, the goal is not only to enhance academic performance, but to foster a supportive and engaging learning environment. Next, let's explore how continuous improvement and reflection can further refine these approaches. Continuous improvement is the cornerstone of effective teaching. It's vital that educators consistently reflect on their practices, seek meaningful feedback, and stay current with innovative strategies. Enhancing your teaching methods requires ongoing dedication to learning and adaptation. Engage in professional development opportunities and collaborate with peers to exchange insights and techniques. Regularly assess what works best for your students and adjust accordingly. Remember, the journey of a teacher is one of perpetual growth. By committing to continuous improvement, you can maintain dynamic and impactful classroom environments. As we conclude this segment, let's remember that the best educators are those who never stop learning. In our final segment, we'll recap the key points and encourage you to implement these transformative strategies in your teaching. In conclusion, let's reflect on the powerful impact student-centered teaching strategies can have on your classroom. From integrating active and collaborative learning to personalizing education, these approaches address diverse needs and foster a more engaging learning environment. Shifting away from traditional methods can significantly enhance student participation, motivation, and overall learning outcomes. The journey starts with small, manageable steps, whether it's incorporating more group projects, allowing choice in assignments, or using adaptive technologies to tailor lessons. We encourage you to begin implementing these strategies today. Observe the transformative effects they can have, sparking curiosity, enthusiasm, and a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Moreover, continuous improvement is crucial. Regularly reflect on your practices, seek feedback, and stay updated with new educational strategies to keep evolving as an educator. If you found this guide valuable, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content and practical tips to enhance your teaching practices. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward a more student-centered classroom. Together, we can make a significant difference in the education and lives of our students. Transform your teaching today and witness the positive changes unfold.